All right, so now I'm going to add another pop wind node. And with this one, we're just going to use the noise in this one. So I am going to have the amplitude be 1. I'm going to change the pulse length to 2 to kind of slow the noise down a little bit and bring the roughness down to 0, which will make it sort of just less high frequency. I'm going to call this noise, pop wind noise. Yeah, because theoretically these could be combined and we could do that noise within the noise section down here of this other wind, but I kind of like separating some of this stuff out because often we'll bypass one or the other just to see what is doing what effect. And I kind of like to really segment and silo everything that's happening to the particles into different nodes. You know, if I need to mute something or just try and figure out what's doing what, nothing gets sort of overwhelming as to what forces are affecting my particles in what way. Okay, so now I'm going to rewind again. And now we can see that this whole thing is a little bit just more noisy. If I turn this off and rewind to the beginning, you can see our cone shape a little bit more. And then if I unbypass this, not only do we just get a little bit of overall air resistance, we just get a little bit more organic motion. It's kind of everything is coming out in the general direction, but it's being noised up a bit, which we want. Okay, so now we have added our 2 different pop wind nodes to control the kind of vertical motion over time of the particles, as well add in some noise. Next, we're going to move on to adding some drag into our particles.